The text-align property in CSS controls the horizontal alignment of text within an element. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your web content more readable and visually appealing. In this video, we'll explore its default behavior and 6 possible values, each with practical examples. By default, the text-align property is set to start. This aligns the text to the starting edge of the containing box. For left-to-right languages like English, this means the text starts at the top left corner of the container. Let's dive into the other values. The first option is Start. This aligns text to the starting edge of the container. While it's the default behavior, which means we expect no change to happen, you can still specify it explicitly. Here's how you do it. Next, we have End. This aligns the text to the ending edge of the container. Here's an example of how to use it. Another option is Left. This value aligns the text to the left edge of the container, no matter the text direction. Let's see it in action. On the flip side, there's Right. This value aligns the text to the right edge, regardless of the text direction. Here's how you write it. Then we have Center. This centers the text horizontally within its container, creating a balanced look. Here's an example. Finally, there's Justify. This value stretches the text so that both the left and right edges are perfectly aligned. It's a popular choice for magazines and newspapers, where a polished appearance is important. Here's how you use it. And that's the text-align property in CSS. With options like Start, End, Left, Right, Center, and Justify, you have the tools to align text perfectly in any situation. Experiment with these values to create layouts that are not just visually appealing, but also easy to read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.